Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and I have 5 little crystal bears that I bought at the mall. It was a store named Claire's, Claire''S, and they were having a sale, so it was 5 items for $10. I ended up buying some sunglasses and I picked a few of these up. Now these were all chained to a keychain. They were linked to a keychain. So I removed all of them because I just wanted the bears. I didn't care about the keychain. So now I see that the larger ones do sit up by themselves, but this little one doesn't. And the green one is just about to almost, you see, almost make it sitting up. But these do stay up, the larger ones. So what I want to do is I want to make a little tiny base for each one. And I was thinking of furniture felt pads. Now, I recently had bought these. I have all shapes here. I have the little dots. But I think this shape and this size is the best. It's better than the bigger ones. This one is perfect for these little bears. Like that, they will all sit and they won't tilt over. So let's see how this works. So this has the little sticky part here. Well, let's start with a little one because the little one was the one that was a pain. Didn't wanna. There, you see? So I made a little stand for it. So let's do that with the other ones. So I have more of these. That's why I bought these at the Goodwill store, to repurpose and use them for these projects. I mean, these larger ones that you see, they sit alone by themselves, but I think I'd rather have all of them on top of one of these. Right in the center there. And like that, I don't have to worry about the vibration. You know, when you have a dollhouse, right? Sometimes when you're walking around and things like that, there's vibration, so your dollhouses move a little bit. And if there are items that are not, not affixed to the dollhouse, they start wobbling, especially little pieces like these. Look at that, they almost look like when you play a game and you move one piece like chess. That's what it reminds me of. So then I have one little one here, the last one. This one, you see what I'm saying? This one wouldn't sit. See? So this was what inspired me to use these little pieces. Now each one has a base. Right there. So there we go. I made a little base for each one. Right there. And I can add them to my little baby room. Now I have a baby room that's actually only bears. Even the baby is a bear. So this would be perfect for that creation. Well, if you have pieces like these that don't stand alone or they don't sit up, you can always use these little pieces, little felt pads. I think they have them at the Dollar Tree too, so you can get them for cheap. Well, I think that this is it. You will be seeing these again, and I happen to have this wrapping paper here, which does have some bears in addition to some cats, dogs, and mice. But look at this. I wanted to share these with you. I haven't used these sheets for any gifts or anything. I just love them so much. Look at these dogs. So one of my creations, not yet, but an upcoming creation will have this as wallpaper. But it won't be anytime soon because first I have to share my bear creation with you. Look at this, how cute. So this is how much I have on this sheet. That's it. Once this finishes, that's it. I don't have any more. Well, I think that this is it. I hope that you enjoyed. And thank you so much for watching.